Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I don't know if part one didn't video, but all of a sudden my video shut off and I was right in the middle of working on my Hobonichi weeks and my husband was calling me, so I don't know what happened here, but it kicked me off. So I'm back. So anyways, I am enjoying working in this. I was saying if we still have that video, I'll put it up. But what I was saying was we have Winter Bible Journaling Camp. Registration's open. I have not made the video for it yet, but if you want, I'm using blue because it's going to be so cold next week. Um, if you want a free Bible Journaling Camp kit, then send me an email to BibleJournalingCamps@gmail.com, and that's camps with an S. And also put in the subject line Winter Bible Journaling Camp 2021. And you can just put WBJC 2021, and that's totally fine. And the kits are free. Your information goes nowhere at all. All of our, for as many times as we've done these camps for so many years, your information is just for me. I never send you anything else. So for all my new friends, and we just love to have you with us. So we are off on Monday, so I'm not even going to put a checklist there. I might put like a shorty and that's it. Don't you like that sassy attitude? I'm just being sassy. Not gonna work. Not gonna work on my anniversary. Lord willing. I'm not sure if my husband's taking the day off. I don't know. We're gonna be here. We definitely can't go anywhere now because of the weather, but we couldn't go anywhere anyways because we are sheltered in. So I'm not really sure what we're going to end up doing. I was asking him today if he was going to work on shelves in the storage container in the little warehouse, is what we're going to call it. But he was like, it's going to be 30 something degrees. No. And I said, well, yeah, I mean, I didn't know if you could like stretch a heater in there. I didn't know what you always do the weirdest things. So sorry, didn't mean to offend you. It's just like, no. I said, okay, no problem. So anyways, but because usually he has projects he works on the weekend. That gives me time to get my projects done. But I think he's not going to do it. Nope, he's not. And they picked all of our oranges last night. So we're going to be eating oranges galore. And we don't have that many left. We've been picking them all season. So, but we definitely didn't want to lose any on the trees. So he got all those in. And we didn't get as many oranges this year as we did lemons. We have a Meyer lemon tree, as many of you know. And guys, so you know, this is a fall kit. But I kind of feel like it's fall weather here. And actually, it's more winter. But so that's why I grabbed it. I thought, oh, so cute and so pretty. So I'm still working on this. Let me see. I do want my my habit trackers, and I think I liked putting them down here last week, and I think I'm just going to do one and one. I don't know. I'm going to try it, see what happens. So I've got those down. Ha 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 ha. This is definitely a coffee time right now. We are in major coffee mode. So we are going to hopefully take off Monday. And then I will put it down here for the weekend, day off. So probably we'll have to work some on Saturday. But we'll put it in between Saturday and Sunday. But we're in coffee and hot tea mode. When I go get my groceries, we have all kinds of goodies. So I'm going to be making a list. We're going to be trying all these different coffees. If we can go and get them in teas. My husband is more of a tea drinker. So, you know. Okay, Thursdays when I like to go get mail. But what I'm finding is they really don't answer. And I really do better probably Saturday morning. So maybe I'll just switch to Saturday morning. I seem to find them doing a better job because of who's available and answers the phone. And the supervisor's there on Saturday, and she is amazing. So I appreciate her a lot. So if I go get mail here, I'll probably do groceries Friday, depending on the weather. And it's our anniversary, so I am going to actually put a cake with candles on. Last week I didn't do the candles. Then I thought about it afterwards. I thought, well, why not have candles? Why not? So we will have been married Oh, is it 35 years? I think it is. So yeah, we're getting there. So I'm going to put this here because I'm going to keep working on my Etsy shop, taking pictures. Boba tea is probably going to be on Fridays. We were trying to do it during the week, but my youngest has so much school, and she's joined a couple clubs that she goes to online, and you know what? That's totally fine. I think she should. I'm going to put the cooking apron, I think actually I'm going to put that over here so I can make my list of the meals for the week. I was trying to see, okay, and then I need one for exercise that I'm going to put over here. And I need coffee Mondays. Yes. Oh, for the first time in ages. My husband made me coffee yesterday, and then today I made it, but it was still nice. It was still nice. We are going to sleep in on Monday. I am telling you right now, I don't care what they say. We are sleeping in. It's our anniversary. So, and our poor plants. I've got tons of plants out to be put in the garden, and I never did. So next week I'll have to get those in today and get those back out. Okay, and I'm not sure. I'm going to wash my makeup brushes, but I'm going to put that there so that I'm going to put that there for anniversary, that I can work on my dressing table. So candles, yes. I'll put that there. And actually, I want to kind of start keeping a list of the essential oils I use. I don't use candles hardly at all anymore. I use only essential oils. So I know it's just how it is. Okay, so Tuesday we'll do linens. That's wash towels, but for me that's wash linens. And then Washy Wednesday, which for us is Hump Day, Happy Meal Day for DEK. So I'm going to put that there because I work that day. And then I'm going to put, I guess this is a bow. Almost looks like mini ears with a bow. Yeah, we'll put that there on Sunday because I will be working Sunday for DEK, and I love it. So, and if you want to see what I do, you can go over and look on my Instagram because that's where I put all the specials, all the good stuff. So, all right. So right now, I think I'm only going to put a couple of these. I'm going to put this over here like that. I think that's cute. And this cute little kitty with glasses, I'll put her up here a little bit further over just because. I think I'll go with one more. Oh, I like all the books. Oh, coffee. Coffee in the a coffee cup. I thought that was a mask. Oh my goodness, the way we live now. Okay, I think that's pretty there. And I think I want to put something behind that because it doesn't show up as much. So hang with me, hang with me. I may just put one of these, this floral one, behind. That's what I think I'm going to do. And that way it'll kind of stand out a little bit. So how easy peasy, quick and happy and fun was that? Super easy. So I really love that. And it's very functional for me. So I can make my list on what I'm going to do on my dressing table cleanup, all the plants I'm going to work on, exercise. And I'm actually going to drop the exercise down just a wee bit. Yes, I'll do exercise, but I probably won't do as much as my menu planning as I have up above. So, alrighty. So I'm going to drop that down. And then I'm going to do my Monday through. So let me get my pen out. And I will do Monday. And it will kind of go something like this. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And that perfectly fit. Wow. And I wasn't really like counting, so praise God. That'll give me a place to write all of our teas and coffees, put my essential oil scents up there, and I think that's good. I don't really do memory planning in this because it is too small. It is too small for that for me, but hence the cousins that's coming. Okay, So I did get some of this decorated. That's what I wanted to see. I did use some of the kit from last week. I couldn't remember. That's why I was holding back a little bit of my pieces. So what I'm going to do is go back over here, and I'm going to put these up here on the top. So hang with me one more minute. All right. And then, whoops. So I'll let that come over a little bit. I didn't space that right, but that's okay. Look how easily that great sticker lifted up, and let me reposition it. All right, and now I'm going to put this one on this top, and then I will move my little essential oils tab. Let me see here. I think I'm just going to go right there and out. Okay, because it's probably going to stop just short, and it did, which is totally fine by me. And I will put that there. Yeah, whoops. Well, not crooked. All right. Here we go. Here we go. My poor husband lost all electricity out in his office, so we're getting ready to run to the store. Was going to see if that would fit, and I think it does. So hold on. Let me see here. I think what I'm going to do is fill that gap. Wish I'd cut it the other way. Let's see here. You know what? Let's just make the best of it, right? And then I will just trim that little bit off. And that'll be that. So, always trim from behind if you remember, and if you see me not do it, don't do it like me. Okay. Behind is better. All right, and that kind of filled that one. Oops, sorry guys, I didn't mean to hit the table. Filled that one little gap. And since I don't have anything on the others, I do have all these little flags, which are neat. And I do have these. So I think I'm just going to decorate with them. Why not? They're just cute. Why not? Okay, let's put this down here. Even if it's pumpkin, still good. And I'll just put this one maybe up here in the corner. How cute is that? Okay, so how do you like that? I think that's kind of cute. I like that. Now, I do want to go back. I did get from Amazon. I ordered this. I haven't even seen if it will fit yet. So you are with me. We are going to see if it will fit. Now, this is a blank spot that I thought I could put washi in, but our monthly doesn't match this. So let me see here. I'm thinking, yeah, I'll just go with something like that, which I'm sure I got this off of Amazon or Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Who knows? But I got it somewhere. And I'm probably going to end up putting 2. So let's see here what fits. I think it's going to take 2. Hang with me. All right, so. Okay, there we go. Now, this is the monthly. So I am going to make sure that I get this down, kind of decorate it. And if you notice, all it says is the number 2 for February, which, you know, I kind of want it to say February. I appreciate the brevity of not, you know, but I think that's the whole point with Hobonichi, the efficiency of it, which I totally get and I appreciate. But I do like it to say February. I'm not going to lie. So let me see. That is not going to fit. So let me put this up. I almost think this may be Bo Bunny. This may be off a Bo Bunny kit. But, see what I have thin. I have that. Best day ever. Yeah, why not? We've got pink on there. Let's go with this one. Let's see if it'll fit. This is Bo Bunny. I know for sure. And it's just from one of their... No, it's not. Where'd I get this? I may have gotten this from Lael. I'm not sure. Now, because it's going to be so close, if I overlap it just ever so slightly on top of the other washi, I don't care. I'm totally good with that. All right, best day ever. Yep, that's a good encouragement for the month of February, right? We need to focus on better days. Our January was very rough and for very personal reasons, but We are focused on something bigger and better and moving on up. You know, was that the Jeffersons? Moving on up. Okay, I won't sing. It's scary, I know. Okay, I like that. I think it's fun. Now, I'm going to take this and use the February. So, I was talking to Dawn by text or messaging and asking her if she was going to offer, you know, dates. So, I don't know. We're going to wait and see. We're going to wait and see. So, I don't know. I hope she does. So, February, because I'm not thrilled with this font, but it was what I could get quickly and fit. And that's what I thought. I love it. Super happy with that. Super, super happy. Now, I wonder if that would go. Why not? We put it here. Let's add it in here. Why not? Okay. They're not from the exact kits. They're from the exact same people. So let's hope that this will come back up. I don't know if it will come back up. Wow, we have lost our local radio station. That winter weather is going to be causing some... that is not going to come back up. So I think I'm just going to put it down. And if it overlaps, that's okay. Alrighty. Let's put it there and here. Oh, no, actually, it fits perfectly. Okay. So it just kind of brings in more of that pink. It's not a perfect fit, but it's totally fine with me. And I think I'm totally happy with that. Seriously. Yeah, so I think, I still have some flags I can use, and I still have this. I still have these two, which I'm just going to take off and put on here until I decide where I'm going to use those. So I'm going to get rid of that. And then, let's see what I have left over here. These three. And I think I'm just going to trim those out and save them. Put them in the back. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to use these for. I'm still trying to decide. All right. So, I'll put this back here with the others. I'll save that. And for now, I'm just going to set this back here in case I want it for something else. I don't know that I'll use it for anything else, but I think I will save it just in case, if that makes any sense. And that can be my working, my working sticker box or sticker kit. So this one has one. I haven't even looked to see what this came with. It just fit my bill. I have my own numbers with DEK. So I guess it's 2 of each. Hey, that works. So if you have a monthly and a weekly, that works. So, well, weekly. You only get to use it 1 week, but that's okay. I'm going to use this in this monthly, and then I'll use the other one in my Hobonichi Cousins monthly, if that makes sense. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. So here's my monthly. Kind of finished it out. And then here's my weekly, and I absolutely love the weekly. I got to be honest. Those are my colors. When we first married, our whole house was this color. I know. I was obsessed. Everything had to be dusty blue and dusty pink. But anyways, I really am enjoying this planner. And it's a fun community. I love the people who are in the community. Just really had a good time. So I'm learning from everyone all the tips and tricks. So if you're using a Hobonichi and you have any good tips and tricks to share with me, please share. I would totally love to learn from you. Okay, friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. And thanks for being here. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Let's get talking. Our community, we don't talk that much. Let's get talking again, okay? We used to talk a lot. I think everybody's gotten busy. But thanks again. Be safe. Please be safe. And make the best out of this day. Choose this day, right? Okay, friends, I'll be talking to you soon. Love y'all. Bye-bye.